Okay, so I'm on my way to go do a show. In case you can't tell, it's a bird show. Going to be a school assembly in North Ogden. And the birds like to talk to me while I drive. That's Chicken. Hey, Chicken. Yeah, we got to go do the show first. What are you doing, Chicken?
Hi.
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 Hi, Chicken.
Hi.
Hi. You were laughing at me earlier. Why was that? Why were you laughing? What's that supposed to be? Yeah, so while I'm driving, the macaw likes to make the kookaburra noise to make the kookaburra go off, and then the kookaburra makes the other birds go off, so it sounds like a jungle in here. Yeah, part of the job. I love it. It's worth it though. All the ear-splitting shrieks. Having the birds taunt you for an hour or so while you're driving on the freeway. So, off to do the show.